This is an antique 1918 Singer Red Eye, model 66. Serial number is G6041566. It's a treadle machine. It's got a hub on the side so you can mount either a motor or a hand crank, and you can use it in a treadle cabinet. I've got it hooked up to a hand crank right now. This is my hand crank, so it does not come with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes only, just to show you how well it stitches. And I've got 6 layers of denim that were already stitched once for photo used in the ad, and just to show you how well it works. A little hard to see there, but it's got an equal stitch on both sides.